Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring how to create mood and emotion. Capturing the essence of your subject and the feeling of the moment can elevate your work from good to unforgettable. Let's dive in and discover how to achieve this. Creating mood and emotion in your photos involves a commitment of technical skills, creative vision, and communication with your subject. Here are some key elements to focus on. For a moody, dramatic look, use side lighting or backlighting. Soft, diffused light creates a gentle, romantic feel. Experiment with different lighting setups to see what works best for your emotion you want to convey. Next, let's talk about color. Colors can evoke strong emotions. Warm tones like red and yellow can create a sense of energy and passion, while cool tones like blues and greens can, evoke calmness. Use color grading in post-processing to enhance the mood of your images. Posing and expression are crucial. Communicate with your subject to bring out genuine emotions instead of just instructing them how to pose. Engage them in conversation and make them laugh or ask them to recall a memory that evokes the emotion you're aiming for. Notice how a natural smile or a thoughtful gaze can add depth to your portraits. Authentic expressions make a huge difference. Composition also plays a role in setting the mood. Use elements like framing, perspective, and depth of field to draw attention to your subject and create the desired atmosphere. Finally, remember that every element in your photos should contribute to the overall mood and emotion. From the location and wardrobe to the props and styling, everything matters. Be intentional with your choices. By paying attention to these details, you can create powerful emotional images that resonate with your audience. If you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials in photography. Until then, thank you for watching.